Big Five, it's very important and famous exhibition actually in this country and all in the Middle East also. Big Five, it's from long time. It was a big exhibition for the construction company, building materials, a lot of things. So it's very important, and I think all the countries in Gulf countries and also in Arab countries and also from outside Turkey, also Italy, Europe. They are very interested about the Big Five. The exhibition, it's covered all the companies, local and international companies. You can see all the companies in the world in this Big Five. So it's very important also. These visitors, they know this very important chance to make big deals. There's special offers in the Big Five. There's special display in the Big Five. The management, the top management, it will be in the Big Five. So it's easy to take the final decision in during minutes. So it's we make a lot of big deals. Also crossing the borders. We make deals inside the country and behind the borders also.